So you want me to repair things for free? Here you go. We got all the parts for it, so you should be good to go. Did you have someone tear it down before you ordered parts? No? Okay.
A few moments later.
You need to see this. Oh wow. Looks like you totaled another one. I didn't total it. I knew it was totaled like 3 weeks ago when it was dropped off. But we have to save it. We ordered a lot of non-refundable parts. What am I supposed to do with them? So you want me to repair things for free? No, that's not what I said. In order to save this car, you need to take off the 25% markup the shop charges on parts and cut down the repair time. Do you want to work on a car that you're not going to make commission on? Huh. No. See, that's the problem. You're still on the clock if you write an estimate or not. But I will be the only one that's doing the work for free. So, totaled? Yeah, totaled. I know, right? Oh, hey, so since I got you here, when do you think the red Camry will be done? Did we get all the parts for it? Let me see. We did 3 days ago. His insurance company took his rental back from him, so we need to give him his car back ASAP. Why did you tell me we got the parts 3 days ago? Could you put everything aside and just finish this one job? Okay, sure.
A few moments later.
Yeah, excuse me, sir. You said we got all the parts for it 3 days ago, but we're missing the headlight and the horn. Well, I ordered everything you asked for on your supplement. Do you still have it on record? Oh, shit. Yeah, I shredded it. It only had 2 things on it. I didn't think I really needed it. Okay, don't worry. I took a picture of it. Okay, let me see. Here you go. Okay. The headlight was on the original estimate and the horn is on my supplement. Let me check. The customer really needs his car back by tomorrow. Could you fix those? You want me to fix a crushed headlight? It's in 100 pieces. The horn? Sure, it's only bent. Well, it's holiday weekend. We can't see those parts until like Tuesday. You have 3 company cars. Give him one of yours. Yeah, that was funny. Morning. Oh crap, it's you again. We got a weird one. Hit me. The door for the Ford Escape looks exactly the same from the outside, except the inside. The impact sensor, where it goes, it's in a different spot. There's a module in the door, so the original door has an indentation for it, so it kind of sits flush with the rest of the door. But the new door we got, it's completely different. There isn't that indentation, so can't even fit. What the fuck? Okay, I'll send it through the channels. I took photos, I sent them to you. If you want to take some more photos, it's up to you. Yeah, I got your photos. Could you email them to me next time?
A few moments later.
Yeah, bad news. I already told you, but bad news. Progressive wants to send their adjuster. They don't believe the photos we sent them. They don't believe us? It's Progressive, of course not.
2,000 years later.
Oh, it's this guy. Can I help you, sir? Yeah, what's up? I'm looking for the Escape with the door issue. Yeah, it's over there. Are you the tech that worked on it? Yeah, I'm the guy. Yeah, so what's wrong with the door? Yeah, it's complicated. The impact sensor is at a different spot, and there's a module on the door, and it's... I ain't trying to hear that shit. Where's that door? I need to see. You know what, man? I don't like your fucking attitude. The door is wrong. We sent you photos. I know you've seen them, and the manager is in the front office. Have a good day. What did he say? Nothing. Yeah, we're getting a new door. Just because we're on opposite sides of this whole transaction, it doesn't mean that you get to be a dick. Thanks for watching. Hey babe, my check is gonna be great this week. I'm gonna buy you the earrings you wanted. Hey buddy. Hold on a second. I got a gravy job for you. Oh shit, that line again. Let me call you back. I know you're gonna ruin my next check, so show me what you got. This is a repair order for one job. It's a $100,000 truck. You can't total this one. man's car is getting butchered.
In every business, we see bad customers. But today, Karen went to the body shop. Why did the orange lose the race? Because it ran out of juice.
Shut up, there's a customer walking in.
Hey, I'm here to get an estimate for my car. Someone ran into me while I was at Walmart.
Oh, sorry about that. Let's go take a look and take a couple of pictures.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
It's not that bad, is it?
No, it's not that bad. Let me just punch in some numbers and I'll show you the estimate in a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Almost done. Here you go. You're lucky they didn't crack your $1,000 headlights. That was close.
3 hours to take the bumper off? I can do that.
It's not like that. That's the time to take it off and put it back on.
And 5 hours to repair the door? The dent is not even a football size.
Sir, calm down. Those hours are the measuring unit we use to be able to charge you the right amount of money for the job.
You know what? This is way too high. I'm going to a different place. I know a guy. Hey, he knows the guy?
Yeah, that man's car is getting butchered. Although some places do overcharge, but most of them don't. You don't want to get screwed? Get a repair that comes with a warranty. And if you don't care about your safety, maybe you should care about the safety of others. But if you still don't, go to the guy that you know that will butcher your car in a back alley style repair. Just so you know, in a few months, that repair will fail. And when it fails and you go to a real body shop, you're going to end up paying way more than the estimate would have been in the first place. Thanks for watching.